Welcome back to Raching Cars, your go-to destination for the latest in futuristic machines. Today, we're diving into the modern modified 2025 BYD Fang Cheng Bao Tai off-road line, a bold evolution in electric rugged SUVs. Starting with the Tai 3, this compact beast features a sleek unibody design paired with dual electric motors, 110 kilowatts front and 200 kilowatts rear, for a powerful all-wheel drive experience. It runs on BYD's Blade LFP battery with a 78.7 kWh capacity, delivering up to 510 km range. Its modern silhouette combines bold LED lighting, dynamic off-road angles, 25 degrees approach and 28 degrees departure, and even an optional DJI integrated roof drone cabin. The suspension is tuned for both city comfort and light trail use, while inside you get a tech-laden interior with a floating touchscreen, panoramic sunroof, minimalist layout, and smart connectivity. Moving to the upcoming Tai 7, expect a larger frame with swing-out tailgate, dual charging ports, advanced hybrid or electric setups, and modular interior space perfect for families and explorers alike. Every component reflects BYD's mission: futuristic, efficient, and adventure-ready. This isn't just an off-roader, it's a lifestyle shift. Thanks for watching Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling automotive tech. Until next time, keep racing forward.